Do you want to study medicine, law, pharmacy, nursing, and other courses in EKSU? Let me teach you how to calculate the screening points in EKSU. Do you score above 160 and you want to apply to EKSU? So, before we continue, EKSU means Ekiti. EKSU means Ekiti State University, and it is located in Ekiti State. Do you want to study medicine, law, pharmacy, nursing, and other courses in EKSU? Let me teach you how to calculate the screening points in EKSU. EKSU does not write post-UTME exam. Make sure you take note of that. EKSU only do post-UTME screening, and I'm going to teach you how to calculate the post-UTME screening point. You only need your O-level result and your JAMB score to calculate your screening point. It is better to calculate it now so you can know where you stand once the cutoff mark is out. So you will need O-level results and JAMB score. For example, maybe you want to study competitive courses like medicine or nursing or pharmacy or law, and you have 280 in your JAMB exam. You can even want to study political science and you have 280 in your JAMB exam. Okay, your O-level. Let me write out the screening, how they calculate the O-level result. For A1 is 8 points, B2 is 7 points, B3 is 6 points, C4 is 5 points, C5 is 4 points, C6 is 3 points. So assuming you have 3 A1 and 2 B2 in your O-level result, assuming the 5 compulsory subjects, maybe you are studying medicine and you have A1 in English, A1 in mathematics, A1 in chemistry, B2 in biology, and B2 in physics, because that's the 5 compulsory subjects to study science courses or health courses. Or maybe you want to study law and you have 3 A's in your 5 compulsory subjects, which include English, mathematics, and government. And in literature and CRS, you have B2, and literature you have B2, and in CRS you also have B2. How are you going to calculate the screening point? So since you have 3 A1 will represent 8 points and B2 will also represent 7 points. So let's sum it up together. 8 plus 8, that's 16. 16 plus 8, that's 24. 24 plus 7 plus 7. So 24 plus 7 is 30. 31. While 31 plus 7 is 38 points. 38 points. So this is your O-level point for this result. So now let's calculate for JAMB score. How do you calculate the screening point for your JAMB score when applying to EKSU? You divide your JAMB score by 400 and you now multiply it by 60. This is how, it's not the same for all schools. Each school have the way they calculate their screening points. So maybe you are applying for a year, maybe you are applying to another school. Just watch video on that particular school. For those applying to EKSU, and watch this video. So 280 divided by 400, let's press our calculator. 280 divided by 400 will give us 0.7. So 0.7 multiplied by 60 will give us 42 points. Assuming you have 250, just divide 400 by 250 and multiply it by 60. Don't forget to multiply it by 60. The next thing to do now is to sum it up together. Sum up your JAMB score and your O-level together. So 42 points from your JAMB score and 38 from your O-level will give us 80 points. 80 points. 80 points is a very competitive and it's a very good point, that can apply, that someone can use to apply to any course in EKSU. So I know with this you should be able to calculate your screening point for EKSU once you have your JAMB score and you have your O-level results. And for those that are using awaiting results, maybe some are going to use NECO and they are thinking that their NECO is not yet out and EKSU has already started their, maybe for example EKSU have started their admission and your O-level result is not yet out. You don't have to panic, because even if they have closed their post-UTME portals, maybe if assuming they have closed their portal for application of post-UTME, you don't need to panic, because they are still going to open it back. You don't need to panic. And once your result is out, you just have to upload it and calculate it and apply. And if you also want to apply to EKSU and other schools like that for their post-UTME form, or you need admission update, just contact this number on WhatsApp for admission updates or to check their cutoff mark for each courses. For example, medicine is 260, pharmacy is 240, nursing is 220, law also is 240. So if you also want to apply or you want to check for updates, just contact this number on WhatsApp so I can explain. And if you need more questions to ask, drop it in the comment section so I can attend to you. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep practicing.